back to my channel. My name is Raquel. I am super happy because today I have the great news that nobody has ever come across from my channel. And before I go into any details, I would like to extend my thanks to those people who have really subscribed. In case I upload another new video that you're gonna be getting a notification. And for those who haven't really subscribed, please subscribe and share my videos, and let's get to know about beauty. Beauty comes within, but also beauty can be shown to the world. Well, myself, today I've chosen a beautiful topic that is gonna be working with the clay mask and the enzyme mask. Enzyme mask, in German we call it Enzyme Peeling Mask. So please note, for those people who are having dry skins, just take precautions on how you have to use the clay mask, because the clay mask will pull the oils from your pores and it will leave your skin a bit more stressed. So I might not really recommend for the people that are sure that are having dry skins. Basically, why do we need to use mask in a week? Or why do we need mask for our skins? Enzyme Peeling Mask will help us, or will help our skins to clarify and clear what the daily routine cleanser or exfoliator doesn't do. This will go a bit more stronger and it will help to go deeper in the pores and will clear all the darkness on the skin. It will exfoliate like strongly in case the daily routine does not work on the skin very well. So let's go straight to the point. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you really need to use the enzyme peeling mask on your skin. First of all, what you need, this is gonna be the enzyme peeling, which I'm gonna use today. I don't have the clay mask, but today I'm gonna be using the enzyme peeling mask. And I'll go straight to the point, and let me just get to cover my face to avoid some messes. Yes, just trying to cover my hair edges. And yeah, let me just make some nice stuff right over there. So right now I'm all set. I'm gonna clear my face with 2 towels. One towel is gonna be with warm water to open the pores on my face, and I will close with a cold towel to seal my pores. I have everything right over here. This is warm water with a small white towel. These are 2, one is with warm water and one with cold water. And I'm gonna use just to clear my face. I will not be using the exfoliator that I usually use for the daily routine, if you could check my previous video. So this is gonna be just the milk Reinigungsmilch, that is of Deutsch, and it's for every skin type. This is a cold towel. And once the cleaning is done, before the enzyme peeling mask goes on the skin, we always need what we call the tonic water. I will have this and dab it in the pad, which I'm gonna be applying on my skin. We talked about this last time because we said this helps to clear off the excessive unwanted makeup or anything. Just this is gonna prepare for the skin. Once that is done, you put it somewhere on the side and get your enzyme peeling. I will use this one, it's called a spatula. This will help me to scoop out the enzyme peeling, which I've already done off camera. Like, I've put it right over here, and this is how it looks like. And I'll use a mirror to just be sure on how I'm gonna be applying it. You are free to apply it on any way how you want, but this is how I apply it when I have time at home, and like professionally it should be applied like this. Please note, always be very careful with your eyes because you don't want to get blind. And once the face is done, you go on the neck. You apply going upwards the mask. This is how you apply the enzyme peeling, depending on how much time you have at home. And in case you have done all this, you might wait for about 10 minutes for effective results. You will just go ahead and massage your skin accordingly. For those who are having a steamer at home, like I do have one, you just go down the steamer and then leave it for about 5 to 8 minutes or 8 to 10 minutes maximum, and that will all be set to go. So you would have opened all the pores for the next products that are gonna be used. That will be number 1, the tonic to clear off the excessive mask in case you have washed it not so correctly, and second thing will be the serum. The serum will penetrate and go straight deeper in the skin because the pores would have still be open. And for those who are having unclarity like in the skin, you have to press those stuff out of your skin because you can be able to see everything. That's why I always recommend, please at least minimum visit once a professional beautician or cosmetician. That will help you because most of the times you cannot really clean your face alone, and let the professional person do it for you, and you can invest yourself, be happy, and yeah, and then you're all good to go. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in the steamer, and then I'll come back and then I'll show you on how to apply the serum on your face, and that's it. So my lovely people, like I said off the camera that after applying all this, then you have to go in the steam or you can go in the sauna. So for me, my steamer is all set and it's ready. All what you need is to have the 2 pads, wet pads, to cover on the eyes and also to protect your hair, which is like I have the stuff for covering my hair because I'm going to lie down. I'll just go down in the steamer for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then you can see as I do that, then I'll turn on the ozone, like to push the pressure of the steamer, and then rest and then wait until the pores are all set and ready. Relax for about a couple of minutes, and then I'll also be showing you what comes next after steaming the face. As we said, how you have seen me applying the enzyme peeling, and after washing it off from the face, this should be the next step immediately after when you have cleared it off. Please follow me as I show you. You're gonna need again the tonic water. You will do again the same process. Put a little bit on the wet pad. It's called wet pad here in German, we call it. You're gonna use the pad to go around your face, Depends on how you want to apply it. So once that is done, the next step is gonna be to use what they call the serum. But you can also use the ampoule. Depends on what your skin really wants. Please quote, the earlier the better. That means when you start anti-aging products, if you're over 20 years of age, okay, let me say 25, you are all good to go to start with anti-aging products because they will start working earlier. I am sure of what I'm really telling you, please. If you wait longer, because it says prevention is better than cure, if you start using the products earlier, you will have less problems in the future. So this is the serum, but there are different types of serums. You can have like anti-aging serum, you can have protein serum, you can have serum to make your skin glow, but you can have different ones at home, and depends on how your skin is reacting. Sometimes you might feel like, oh, my skin now looks really good, smooth and soft. Maybe now I need to concentrate a little more on the anti-aging. Then you can use those anti-aging ampoule. There are those ampoule I'll be showing you still. If you follow me on my videos, I'll be showing everything that you really need for your skin. I'm going to show you how I apply the serum. I'll get a few drops. 1, 2. Okay, well, not so much. And this is how I'm going to apply it on my skin. That was the very simplest way to apply the serum on your skin. You don't have to rub it like you are using too much energy or any other format. As long as you dab it slowly and trying to be very gentle with your skin. Remember, we are putting it in the skin to go deeper, and the pores are still open, well prepared, and they are all clean. The purities and everything is all set. So the serum will go straight faster in the skin, and it will start working exactly for what the skin needs. That's why most of our friends are having very glowing skins, and others are just having normal skin. So when you see someone, it's like, wow, this person might be visiting a beautician and they're doing things correctly right at home. I recommend once or twice a week to use the Enzyme Peeling Mask or the clay mask, not more than that. If you go beyond that, then you are just doing your other own dream. I would not really recommend it. And once you exfoliate for the week, for the daily routine, you will all be set. You will be seeing like fruits of a very beautiful skin, and that's all. So please, thank you so much for watching. Again, Raquel is my name. I live in Hanover, in German, beautiful city. And please, I've seen everybody who have subscribed. They are all being so supportive to me. And guys, thank you so much. And those who haven't, please subscribe. Please go ahead, and thanks for watching at least this video. Subscribe, and I will be seeing you in my other next video. Bye.